Alright, what's up guys? It's your boy Stickers, back with another video. Right now we are about to go to the Inozetek X Rocket Bunny bike, or just car meet. I don't know if there'll be bikes, but maybe there'll be bikes, bike meet. Let's cut all these cars off so the lane's splitting. Alrighty, I don't know where we're going. We're trying to listen to navigation, so when I stop talking, it's because I'm trying to listen and see where I'm supposed to be going. Hopefully, our mic's all plugged in and everything. We'll stop and check real quick right now. Feel like I would have seen a couple cool cars. Yep, we're bouncing. But yeah, no, we are on our way to the Inozetek X Rocket Bunny meet right here. I have a feeling it's going to be a good event. I didn't really see anything else going on today, other than this. But we are back out on the Fire Blade. As you guys know, this is our new bike. It is revealed, so you guys are going to start seeing a ton of content with this thing going forward. I don't know if that's from the meet, but it looks like something that would go to that. I don't even know. I know Rocket Bunny is like a wide body company, and they have some like badass wide body kits. They're Japanese, I think. I don't know. And then Inozetek is the huge wrap company that has a lot of awesome wraps. They do have colored PPF that I just did see them coming out with, which is awesome. It's very different. They're one of the first companies to come out with colored PPF, so I think that's super cool. But yeah, right now we do got a cop right here to the left. Oh, and some bikers. Hopefully this cop, it's a lady cop, hopefully this lady cop is pretty cool. We'll see. I think it was a Honda too, that's funny. But yeah, no, so like I said, it's somewhere over here to the left. I heard to turn left right here on Mission. I don't know exactly where I'm going because I'm just listening to it, since we do not have our motorcycle mount on. And like I said, I don't know. I said previously that I don't think I'm going to put a motorcycle mount on this helmet. So, or on this bike. Where does it want me to go? I guess I was supposed to. I guess I was supposed to turn right back there. I just heard it late. Alright, we are on an adventure together, guys. I feel like if it was going to be a good event, there would have been some more signs. It started at 8:30 and it's 9, so it did start 30-ish minutes ago. But I feel like that should have been, we should have seen something. That's what I'm confused about. Not seeing one modified car or one something for supposed to be a big event out here. Oh, okay, I found it. We are here now. Let's see what they got. Couple cool Porsches. Ooh, I'm guessing that's a Rocket Bunny kit. Some GT3s. It's small. Looks like it's a cool event, just a little small. Maybe they have some cool stuff inside, but man. We'll take a look, walk around, So it doesn't look too crazy, but looks like it's an okay event. Well, I can take a look. Let me turn down my music so if anybody tries to talk to me. All right, I'm gonna pause you guys, and I'm gonna switch to no mic mode. Give me a second. Alrighty. So I can take these off. That's a pretty color. That purple. We were just talking about this. We were trying to convince, and me and Kay were talking. We do believe that this bike right here in R9 is the perfect, like, starter bike for a bigger dude. Like, it gives you enough power to be a big dude and have some decent power into you with almost a full-size sport bike. And we learned, me and Kay didn't know, we thought it was a 2-cylinder. It's not. Yamaha R9 is a 3-cylinder. That's what makes it different than the R7. Beautiful GT3 RS, R8, 2 of them. Oh, this Supra's pretty clean. I like the color. I really like this reddish color. Carbon hood, carbon louvered fenders. I'm guessing a Rocket Bunny kit. Or maybe it's just a wide body kit. Nothing over there. We'll look at this Lexus, and this 720 is probably my favorite looking thing I've seen here so far. Oh, Liberty Walk kit too. So cool. That's like that Porsche color, but this is sick. These Rohana wheels are absolutely stunning. Wonder how it's a good amount of performance done, because it's on a tire. It's not an R AAA, so it's on a real tire. Alright, let's see what they got inside. Got all their PPF materials in here and wraps. Yeah, they got quite a few cars in here that look sick. I might want to switch you guys to my mic so we don't. There's loud ass music. Yeah, let me turn on the mic. Alright, now we're back with the mic, so we don't hopefully get demonetized as much. A Lexus. That's actually a not bad looking article. Those seats are sick. Full interior on it. Huh? You sitting down in front of it will be like a perfect thing for the helmet. Yeah. If you want me to, if you want it. Oh. Nice to meet you. Those are some clean wheels. Lexus. That silver is actually really nice. Not too much in here. Dynamic. Oh, I wonder if they're doing some sort of a reveal later. Student driver. That thing is hilarious looking. We got making some breakfast out here. I haven't seen you in a minute. I was the one that used to hang out with you and Andy. I rode with you in the GTR, and that day it was raining. We went to that meet. Oh, yeah. I have the CTS-V. I have the V Coupe. Yeah. How you been? Like, congrats on the new car. I saw you posted the new car. Is it here? Yeah. It's the black one? It's the black one? Cool. Huh? I wrapped it. Okay, yeah. So it's blue now. Oh, it's the blue one. It was black though, right? It was. Okay, I thought I remember it. Yeah. Dope. Cool. How you been though? All good? Just grinding, walking around, filming. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I was talking to some car friends again recently, and I wish the scene was like it was back then. Back then, it was so much fun. Like, it's just, yeah, it's not the same. It's still all right. Like, this would have back then 100 cars at it. Like, yeah. It's cool, but like I said, back then the meets were just different. Like, they were just different level. So yeah, no, but it's cool. The scenes, LA ain't kind of dead now. There ain't nothing really in LA anymore. Yeah, Sunset. Did you go to Sunset when it came back? That shit. Yeah, it was. I would put it on the same level as it used to be. It's probably one of the best events I went to this year. Yeah, 'cause those used to be sick. Yeah, except they did it at the museum now because I guess you could always get in trouble. Yeah. Yeah, but it's cool. I will go. If they do another one, I will go. It's definitely worth it. But for sure, I'm gonna keep walking around filming. I see you, man. Yeah. Wonder what they're hiding under here.
Cool bike.
Yeah.
Looking a little bit. Did a ride as well. This is the bobber. It was a hardtail.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was just a show bike, I guess, but I didn't ride it much.
Oh, okay.
People are way too crazy drivers on where I live, so.
Oh yeah, no, it's definitely. I never really come this way. I normally only go to Orange County whenever I ride.
Beautiful place to ride to.
But yeah, no, I never come this way. The LA drivers are ridiculous. If I come this way, I have a CTSV coupe. So if I come this way, I'm usually in my car. But I was like, I just revealed this yesterday, so I was like, let me take it.
It's a nice day to ride today.
Yeah, I'm debating. I'm probably gonna go mob down to PCH and take PCH.
Oh, it's open now, so you can.
Not Malibu. I'm more like, I like the other side. I just did Malibu PCH.
Like not near Neptune's Net. Like
No, the other way.
past it.
No, going south.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, I just did that, and it's open, but it's still there's so many people trying to drive through it right now that it, like I said, it's.
I mean, it's kind of good for you because you can like just.
Oh yeah, but then it just defeats the enjoyable part of it.
There's cops like up the ass over there. Dude.
Oh yeah, every corner.
A little fast.
Like I said, I just did it 2-3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
2 or 3 weeks ago, and they were everywhere. And I
Or
was,
you just go PCH all the way.
what'd you say?
You take Mulholland too?
I have taken Mulholland. I have. I usually just since I'm coming from Orange County area. That it's normally I just take what's it called, the
Keep from Orange County?
Long Beach area. But yeah, it's on a bike. It took me like 18 minutes maybe.
No fucking way.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? It's like a 45-minute drive.
No, when there's no traffic, not at all.
You took 710?
I took 5-7-10.
5-7. Oh yeah. Even traffic, like you get that bitch.
And I wasn't even hauling ass. I think I was probably going like 80, just cruising, maybe 90. When I hit the 710 on the back part of it, I was wheeling a little bit because it was open. There was nothing around, and I was like, fuck it. Like, there's no cars. It looks nice and clean over here.
Have your eye out for idiots, dude. You're fucking stupid. A lot of them.
Yeah.
I had way too many homies go down and I fucked up myself my shirt.
I was debating it. I've lost a few friends like that like didn't just go down in the canyons and other things, and so I've thought about it, but I make money doing social media with bikes, so it's like now it's working, it's a business, so it's like once I started making money doing it, it's like why would I want to give it up? Like, and the cars don't do as good for me. Like I said, I have a CTSV, I have a old Mustang, but they don't. Nothing does as good as bikes for me personally, content wise.
A lot of guys are like, with the bike shit, they're taking off like stupid videos. The guy yelling, fucking, stupid shit like that, and they're getting a lot of views.
Yeah.
Making money on it.
Yeah, no, it's definitely trendy now. TikTok definitely made it trendy.
Yeah.
Made being a biker trendy.
Is that what you post on TikTok?
I have TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. I do it all. So, but cool. What's your guys' names?
Edwin, bro.
Arnold.
Alex.
Nice to meet you,
Alex.
bro.
Alex or Stickers? Everybody knows me as Stickers.
Stickers.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah, that's my Stickers, and the last S is a Z.
No jacket?
Huh?
Bro.
No jacket?
I have an airbag underneath, so there's an airbag under here.
Way.
Yeah. So it's a built-in airbag, so if it pops, it rolls down to my elbows,
sick as
my ribs, my chest. So now this is my summer squid. I have leathers and stuff, but it gets so hot when riding, especially like on a bike like this. It's like I wear my airbag. It covers all the important parts.
See, guys are
thing, right?
Huh?
Riding pants?
Yeah, they're Kevlar, and then they have knee pads, and then of course boots. They got the important gear, but a little loud.
What's it rev out to?
Huh?
What's it rev out to?
15.
God damn.
Alrighty, I think this is a wrap. It wasn't too crazy of an event today. kind of chill. Might go find something else. Might have a different video. I was hoping this was going to be bigger, like I said, because it's the only thing today. Inozetek is a huge company. Rocket Bunny is a really well-known wide body company, so I'm surprised. I thought this was definitely going to be bigger. Sadly, I guess it wasn't. But either way, I think this is a wrap to this video. Might find some more to do, might not, but either way, like I said, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces. Oh. A clean full carbon Z, nice.